That's Leo. He looks actually very different than the rest of them. 15 bucks. 3 Dusties there for you. Oh, that's the Glow Chase. Black Clover. And we already have our first complimentary thief. Look at that. Vulture Sinister 6. Oh, cooler. Oh, that's dope. Look at that. Bro, look at all of these. There's 2 different variants right there for Kevin Durant. Alright, you know who I am. I'm Milo Martin. This is Nothing Like Nostalgia. Welcome to Roscom Part 23. Let's go. Alright, so to begin the toy section, it's a Hopper, Jurassic Park. Let's see what else we got here. Nightbird. It's a Donnie here. Still 15. Always look at the prices just in case they drop, because you never know. It's one of those things you gotta look. Let's see. Rick and Morty. I think that's those socks. Still raw 15. Tanjiro set right there. Right there as well. Nope, nothing new as of yet. I gotta dig through here. So, this is Cheetor. Oh, look at this. Finally, we see a Leo. Have not seen a Leo yet. That's Leo. He looks actually very different than the rest of them. 15 bucks. He looks pretty purple like Donnie, so it's interesting. Alright, found all 4 brothers now. It's pretty cool. Throwing the Chevy. Yeah, I might have to dig through here. Bro, look at all of these. There's 2 different variants right there for Kevin Durant. Oh, 8 bucks. Yeah, I'll take it. 8 bucks, I'll take it. Crazy. 2 chases. 1, 2. See what these are. What are these? See what else we got here. Remember the last one we found the LeBron James one. See if there's anything else new here. There was that Shock. Chiso. Let's try the other side. Alright, nothing here. Same old stuff. Kiddo stuff. Kiddo stuff. It's just they got so much stuff here. Everything falls, you see. This is Trae Young. That's regular though. Let's see. Aang and Zuko there. Alright. Turn around. Piccolo. Red Ranger. Maverick. Which is this? 5 bucks. 4 planes, that's not bad. Star Wars, TIE Fighters. Comes to Dragon Ball Z. Chainsaw Man on the floor. Red and Blue Ranger with the bikes. Cyclops. What is that? Crash Bar. It's another Blue Ranger, the Yellow Ranger. Let's see the Turbo Red. Alright, let's check the metal section. Alright, we got tons of these here. Let's see what else we got. So we got Coco Melon. A little bit of that there. Got some Zeros there, some minis. Still the same Legos. They got a lot of stuff here. Let's see what else we got. Some of these still. Lots of big stuff for the kiddos. Alright, let's go to the front because that's where the new stuff's gonna be at. These packs here for 20 bucks. Tons of new pops. Dark Flash. Still got those 4 packs from the Bad Batch. I mean, there's a lot of stuff, they didn't have enough space. Let's see. Lots of Star Wars stuff up here. And we already have our first complimentary thing. Let's see what else we got. Bumblebee. Oh, we got, look at that. Vulture Sinister 6, Kitty Pride, Bo-Katan Kryze. Still got X-Wolves, the Overwatch Pop, some more Zeke Jaegers down here, tons of stuff. Alright, let's go check out one more Ross, I believe, for this video. Alright, here's Ross number 2. They're starting to stay open till 11, so let's get it. It looks like I'm gonna be in here by myself, I think. Let's see if they open. It says till 11, so. Got it. Still got all the kiddo stuff here. Nothing new here. Still around the corner. Same stuff here. RC cars. And this jet is pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. Same stuff here. Let's see. People been getting a lot of the Flash stuff lately. Oh, that's super dope. $7.
We need to go fast.
That's pretty cool. Let's see what else is here. It's the Harry Potter one. Sons of Sentinels. Sorry, Zergs. Razor. And 5 more Razors. Jeez, it's a lot of Razors. Alright, let's go to the back, see what we got. Alright, we still got these haulers. Tons of those. Looks like the same stuff as before. That's probably like 35, I think, or 45 it was. 45, yep. So do the same thing, same thing, same thing. Stuff for the kiddos. Kiddo stuff, kiddo stuff, kiddo stuff. So kind of speed through here. Stuff for the kiddos. Beavis and Butthead socks, that's funny. Those are Beavis and Butthead socks. 12 days of socks. Beavis and Butthead. Alright. Alright, here's the toy aisle. Finally get it to myself. Usually having to share it. This battle trap's all beat up. Are these articulated or? Yeah, they are. 18 bucks. Let's see what they got here. There's that Goku statue, that's dope. Let's see what else we got. How much is this? $6, okay. $6 for that, it's not bad. It's Uno Marvel version. Is that the gold one? Nope. Got a Naruto statue. Let's see. Tons of statues. Tons and tons of statues. Oh, cooler. Oh, that's dope. Look at that. He's got a little bit of weight to him. That's super dope. That's the first time I see that. Alright, let's see what else we got. Not seeing anything else. Of course, I'm gonna dig through here. Crash bar. That's dope. Nope, nothing new here. Nope. And nothing new here. Transformers Shovel, that's new. $5. I love all these shovel games that they're coming out with different versions of. There's a Dusty. There's 2 Dusties. There's 3 Dusties. 3 Dusties there for you. Let's see what else we got. Nothing crazy back here. Stuff for the kiddos. Yep, stuff for the kiddos. More stuff for the kiddos. Tons of Disney Frozen right there. And Disney Princess. Let's see what else we got. Another Nerf, Dungeons and Dragons. Tons of statues, anime. That model kit, another Dusty here. Let's see what else we got. Haku from Naruto. It's new, I've never seen that one. Another one from Demon Slayer. That's new. There's a security droid. Tanjiro statues. Alright, let's check out front, see what they got. Tons of pops up here. See what we got. Start down here. Tons of actual still. Those Optimus Prime for 20. That's the blast mode one. Trigun. Oh, that's the Glow Chase. Black Clover. Okay. That's the Glow Chase. Interesting. It's a little beat up. Yeah, slightly beat up. Right here. To chase. So we'll take it. $5. See what else we got here. Not seeing anything else here. I'll dig around. If I see something, I'll show you. If not, you'll hear from me outside. Check the other side, and there was only one Iron Man left. So they are starting to get more Iron Mans in stores. Looks like somebody bought them here. Alright, YouTube, they are getting some new things. Found that Chase from Black Clover. And the other 2 variants of Kevin Durant, the other one. So check them out, man. They're open till 11. Next week, I think they're going to start opening till 12, till midnight. With that being said, thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Definitely helps me, helps you, bring you more content. Go ahead and like, comment, and share. And I'll see you at Con XXIII. And like I always say, stay nostalgic.